So this is Hyundai Toxin, and the engine light is on. When you drive, the engine light blinks. So I want to diagnosis and check the problem. So this is the front. Let's go inside and run a diagnosis. So this is the check light. Now let's drive the car and see. And run a diagnosis. Random multiple cylinder misfire detected. As you can see, cylinder 1, 2, 3 is misfire. The brake switch, the turbo boost, control position sensor, circuit. So let's go ahead and check the plugs and see. Let's remove the plugs, the spark plug, and check. Just opening the bonnet. I'm not saying that 2 and 3 over. So this is the car. We have replaced all the spark plugs, and we've realized it's misfiring. The same problem on the car. This is the plugs we have changed. We have replaced with this one, and this is the good plugs from a different car, and we've realized it's the same problem. So we have replaced all the ignition coil. This is the ignition coil from a different car, and it works well. So we've realized one of the coil is bad, as you can see. So this coil was the problem. So we will need to replace the coil and try and see. So now we have replaced the coil. So let's try. So as you can see, we have replaced this coil. So this is the problem. As you can see. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.